a nigga hit the lottery, so when you going up, how can you plummet? Damn, you stun it. On the land, when you expand the grands, they understand who run it. In the jam, you brung it. Coming from all the fans, the Kansas City man do.
Hey you guys, welcome back. I'm looking rough. Let me tell you something. I ain't got a whole bunch of good lighting. It's really dim outside. It's the morning time, but it's really dim. I don't know, and I didn't feel like bringing the ring light up here, but y'all will be able to see everything that I'm doing. So today, on today's What I Eat in a Day video, I'm going to be making some chocolate chip pancakes. And I'm gonna have it with a piece of chicken sausage, like a big old nice chicken sausage or whatever. That's gonna be my breakfast. Y'all know, like I said, I only eat OMAD, but when I do these videos, I try to eat like 2 times and then 1 snack. Do I think I'm gonna have a snack today? I don't think so, but who knows, I might. This is what I'm looking like in the morning. So today we're going to make, like I said, the keto chocolate chip pancakes. So of course this is everything you need: baking powder, some vanilla, coconut flour, oops, some type of sweetener. I'm using my monk fruit sweetener. I got this from Amazon. It's almost gone, but I have more. Cream cheese, these Lily's chocolates. I don't know which one I really want to use yet. This one is 0 carb, this one is 1 carb. I might just put this one in there, but this was from Walmart. These are 0 sugar, 0 carb. Well, 0 carb, 1 carb for the dark chocolate. Heavy whipping cream. You need 4 eggs. I'm gonna show you all that. And then this is the one of the sausages that I'm gonna actually be eating. Got this from Aldi's. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start cooking. I'll try to do a voiceover or whatever. So you guys, I showed y'all my waffle maker. This is the actual griddle. Still got this off of Amazon. I will make sure to leave the link below, but the blue indicator light is letting me know that it's still warming up. But I will say this, you guys. Let me turn this around while this is heating up. So, ooh, stuff coming off. So I'm gonna let y'all know, coconut flour burns very easily. So when trying to flip it, because I have tried to make coconut pancakes in the past before and it was a fail for me. Some people are pros at flipping it, not this girl. So I thought that this actual griddle, mini griddle, would work for me because it'll cook on both sides and I don't have to worry about actually flipping it, because that is what jacks me up. So I didn't want to waste my batter, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this griddle. This again was under $10 on Amazon. The link will be below, but I'm gonna let this continue to heat up and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my pancakes. So you guys, I finally made mine. I had to make some for the kids first. I had to make sure they ate and they really liked them. But look how these babies look. Perfect. Now I'm using the last batter for myself. So y'all, I'm about to be a little extra right here and add some Legendary Foods peanut butter cup flavored peanut butter. Y'all look, got this on Amazon. The entire box has about, let me get the box, hold on. The entire box has 10 of these mini packs. I didn't want to buy a big peanut butter just in case I didn't like it, but this is the peanut butter cup flavored. I think, you know, I'm gonna add a little bit of this on it. This is keto approved. It does have 3 grams of sugar. It is vegan, and it has 4 net carbs for the whole pack. Now the thing is, I'm not gonna eat this whole pack. I just want to put a little bit of peanut butter on top of all 3 of my nice pancakes that look like a griddle top sandwich. But I'm about to add some of this while I'm waiting for this one to finish cooking. Just drizzle it like so. Oh. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to eat. I had to take some pictures for my Instagram. I actually got this Choc Zero sugar-free maple pecan syrup off of Amazon. The thing is, they have so many different flavors, but I got this one. So yeah, it's 32 grams and it is 1 carb. So yeah, and it's really good. As you can see, I've used this before. Here are my 3 pancakes, and I'm just gonna cut into one. Ooh. And we're gonna dig in. It's falling apart. Why? I don't know.
Where did he go?
Yeah.
That's just gonna call to get some information on whoever that is. I know where to get some info.
Sorry if my lighting is going in and out. It's super gloomy, so I apologize. Y'all, these are really good. Now, they don't have the actual consistency of an actual pancake. One, because I made it like into a griddle, so it's a lot fluffier. Plus, it's coconut flour, so it's not real flour. I'm used to the texture. You might not like it, but I'm just showing you guys what I eat in a day. You don't have to make it this way. You can use almond flour if you want, or if you could just eat pancakes how you normally eat them. But I'm just showing you how I eat it the keto friendly way. That's really, really good. So I'm gonna finish eating and I'll see you guys later on. Hey y'all, so I'm about to make my last meal. I didn't have a snack at all today because that breakfast really had me really full, and I realized that I don't know if I care for the coconut as much. So next time I make those like that, I might use almond flour. I don't know. They were good, but I just like they were firm, but not as firm as I would want them to be, but they were good. So I'm gonna make a pizza, a flatbread pizza. I'm using the flatbread original 70 calories from Fit Active. This is 7 carbs for 1 of the flatbreads. I'm going to brush some avocado oil on my flatbread. I got this from Aldi's and I got this from Walmart, I think. I have some turkey pepperoni, and these are, if I can remember, 0 carb as well, if y'all can see. I have some mozzarella, and these I got from Walmart. I think you can get these pretty much anywhere. I also got some Rouse homemade sensitive marinara sauce, and I think for a half cup, which I'm not even using a half cup, it is 3 carbs. But this is really good. This is a keto approved sauce. And I'm going to use some oregano, some red crushed peppers, and a little bit of everything but the bagel. I love this stuff. So I'm going to make me a flatbread pizza. I might have a salad with my pizza just to up my calories. You know what I am. But the thing is, you guys, I get so full, so I'm gonna attempt to do a salad as well with my pizza. I know I'm gonna eat the whole pizza, but I need to get some more greens up in me. And I wanted to put some spinach on my pizza, but again, I don't have no spinach, y'all. I need to go to the store before I do these videos. So, before I eat, I do also want to address one more thing because I get it in the comments. You guys, when I eat my one time a day, I make sure I get at least, when I say close to my calorie intake, I'm super close. Like I might have maybe just 70 calories left before I hit it. So when I do these, I just try to make sure I don't go over. So my first meal was kind of high in calories. This one is a little high, but not super high. But I'm still gonna be maybe 100, 200 at the most under what I'm supposed to be eating. But you guys, it is what it is. I'm just trying to show y'all stuff I like to eat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all see me take a bite. So yeah.
No, come on, bro. Come on. This is so not fair, Billy. I want you to have a weapon.
It's really, ooh, it's spicy. But it's super good. I will say, the more toppings, the better. But, you know, I don't do a whole lot sometimes. And honestly, my favorite pizza is cheese pizza. But, you know, sometimes I'll add something. So I added the turkey pepperoni. I also like vegetable pizza, but I don't have a bunch of vegetables, as y'all can see why I didn't make what I was gonna make. So, yeah, I have to go to the store. But
you made it through, but you...
I'm gonna finish eating. I just wanted to show you guys what I was eating to close out my eating window. Right now it is 6:21 and I plan on being done eating this by 7. I have more water to drink, but I wanted this with my meal. I don't have a whole lot left to drink, but I do have more water to drink. So yeah, I'm going to continue to eat, and I will see y'all in my next video.